Are these? What are these? Applesauce pancakes or what are they?
How does it taste?
Tastes really good. I'm trying to get the flavor. Wow. Wow, what is it?
Seriously? You cannot taste it? What it is?
I can taste it, but I can't put my finger on it.
A lot of potassium.
Bananas. That's it.
That's
Bananas. Now I got it. Took me a second there. I was like, man, I know what this is.
It's only banana and eggs.
Wow. Wow, it's so good.
No sugar, nothing.
Really? Wow.
Sweet, right?
Awesome. You want some?
No. These are so awesome. So easy to make, and they comes out so delicious. Banana eggs pancakes. Just made them. These are so perfect. So delicious. You don't need sugar or nothing.